all, in this video we will see how to make instant mango pickle and store it for 2 months. This is very easy to make and very tasty with tangy and spiciness. So let's see how to make this one. Take 2 raw mangoes and wash them and dry them off, and then peel it off and grate them by using the grater. So for 2 mangoes I got 3 cups of grated mangoes. So I am taking this grated mango into a bowl. For 3 cups of mango I am adding 1/3 cup of salt and same amount of chili powder, 1/3 cup of chili powder, but I am adding 2 more spoons of chili powder extra and mix it nicely. For this pickle, tempering is more important. I took an additional amount of peanut oil. Once the oil is heat, I am adding the mustard seeds and red chilies and then garlic cloves. Let the garlic cloves be sauteed for some time and then add the hing, good amount of hing. And next I am adding the 1 tablespoon of methi powder. And once the tempering is ready, it is need to be mixed with the pickle. Mix it nicely and the pickle is ready. It is so tasty and very easy to make.